Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will learn how to create a program that will ask the user to give a US dollar value, and then our program will convert the US dollar value in Philippine Peso using Go programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. So we have your package main. It is the starting of every Go program. Import format for library for formatting. Function main, it is the starting point of every Go program. It is a method actually, so or in other language now. So we have two variables, US dollar, Philippine Peso, which has a float no, so we have decimal places. So we have here the title, US dollar to Philippine Peso in Go. In this line of code, line 13 and 14, we're asking the user to give US dollar value that will be stored in our variable US underscore dollar. New line here for the conversion, Philippine underscore peso equals US dollar multiplied by 58.46. Let us assume that $1 is equivalent to 58.46 pesos. So we displayed the US dollar here to decimal places, just like in C language. US dollar is equal to Philippine peso to decimal places, Phil underscore peso, Philippine peso. To new line here, and a program which is inform the user that the program has been ended. New line here, and then we close the main function. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code. Okay, so let us run the program. Go run space peso dot go. Press the enter key from our keyboard. Enter US dollar value. Let's say we have 100 US dollar. So 100 US dollar is equivalent or equal to 5,846 pesos Philippine Peso in a program. Another example, let's say we have 78.56 US dollars. 78.56 US dollar is equal to 4,592.62 Philippine Peso. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to convert US dollar currency into Philippine Peso in Go or Golang programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.